What's up, guys? So today I got some corn tortillas I'm gonna make for you. It's pretty much the easiest thing you're probably ever gonna do. All you do is mix out the dough. So it's 2 cups of corn masa and a 1.5 cups of water. All you do is put it in a bowl, mix it up by hand. Takes less than 5 minutes to do that. And then we're gonna press them out on a tortilla press. So that's pretty much it. Super simple. Here we go. All right, so exactly like I said, you just got a couple of cups of masa right there. You're gonna mix out with a cup and a half of water. Just mix it in with your hands. Super simple, super quick. The texture you're looking for is going to be spongy, kind of soft. You don't want it sticking to your fingers like it was doing to me, so I put a little bit more masa in there. But I mean, that's it. There it is right there. I'm just going to throw in some saran wrap. I'll leave it off to the side for a few minutes, about 10 minutes. Let it just set up. Then I got the tortilla press right there, just like everything else. I got it from Amazon. I'm just going to wrap the ends in saran wrap so the dough doesn't stick. Because if you don't do that, then it's pretty fragile or pretty delicate dough, so it's gonna kind of rip up if you don't do that. So I'm just gonna press it down, and that's it. And as far as the weight of the dough balls go, just guesstimate it, just rip off kind of smaller than golf ball size dough balls. That's all you're looking for. And so if you got a cast iron skillet, go ahead and heat those up in there. But I got this big old griddle I'm gonna throw them on, as well as this carne asada, and some jalapenos, and some other stuff I got in the house. I mean, it really didn't make no sense just to make a tortilla video. You gotta put something in it, right? Yeah, this meat's only gonna take a couple minutes aside. I'm just gonna flip it with the magic of time. And then I got the jalapenos I'm gonna char up. And with the tortillas, you just throw them on high heat, a couple minutes aside, and you're good to go. They cook up really fast. You just wanna keep them warm in a tortilla warmer. Yeah, so now that I've done these a few times, there's really no comparison from the ones you get in the store. I mean, they just taste like garbage pretty much. I mean, you know, they're edible, they're all right, but there's pretty much no comparison. Also, if you have a rolling pin, you don't need a tortilla press. Just roll out the dough. Just do it by hand. I mean, that's how the Mexican grandmas do it. No big deal, right? Also, I had this leftover crust in the middle here from the carne asada, so I just put the jalapenos there and put a little bit of water to kind of get a little bit of flavor up and kind of roll them around in it. Kind of worked a little bit, I guess. It was alright. So as you can see, they were super pliable when they came out. They were good. And so that's that, guys. But you know I gotta make a taco for you guys. I got the cotija cheese right there. I'm just breaking up. Made some guac. Looking good. Now I'm just gonna throw the meat in there. Got a little bit of store-bought salsa. It's no big deal. With the cilantro and onions. Putting everything together. Check it out. It's a beauty. That's it. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Always gonna try to keep making more videos. Eat that jalapeno. Have a good day.